Good day, viewers. You are welcome. We have a functional equation to solve. The question is f of x plus root x equals x minus root x. Our goal is to find f of 12. How do you solve this problem? You can give it a try and drop the answer in the comment box. So let's solve this question step by step. First thing is, if you look at this domain and the output here, we see that they are like conjugate to each other. This is positive and here is negative. That is the only differences between the two. And to solve this, we apply a little substitution method. Suppose I let u equals x plus square root of x. So the new equation becomes f of u equals x minus root x. But we want to express this one also in terms of u, so which will not be very easy for us to make it. Assume I single-handedly make, let's say, u root x here equals another variable, which is t. Then we are going to have x equals t squared. So on getting this is telling us that I'm not going to be using u again, but I'll still come back to applying u. So let's try and stick to this t and t squared, because we are unable to express this one in terms of u. So therefore, we are going to have f of only x is given as t squared plus t equals, and we have t squared minus t. So the next step is, if I write this as f of, let's say I factor out t, then we have this as t plus 1 equals, again here is t into bracket of t minus 1. Then if I want to express this t into bracket of t minus 1 in terms of t bracket t plus 1, we have it as f of t bracket t plus 1 equals, we have t bracket t plus 1. This is what we need. But initially it was t minus 1, which means we have to subtract 2t from here. Because opening this, we get t squared plus t. But t minus 2t, it gives us minus t from here. So since we have gotten this one done, so the next is, we're now going to again take back our u here from this point. So suppose the whole of this thing, which is t bracket t plus 1, if I let this equals u, so if u is t bracket t plus 1, then but t bracket t plus 1 is given as t squared plus t. I want to make only t the subject of the formula. So this is what I will do. You know, here is just like u equals t squared plus t. If I add 1 over 4 to both sides, we have this as t squared plus t plus 1 over 4, then equals u plus 1 over 4. So if this is cleared, and t squared plus t plus 1 over 4, this is given as t plus 1 over 2 raised to power of 2 equals, here we have it as 4u plus 1 divided by 4. By taking the square root of both sides, we are going to have, by squaring both sides, we have t plus 1 over 2 equals, we need only positive here. So we are going to neglect negatives, and we have this as square root of 4u plus 1 divided by 2. Then taking 1 to other side, 1 over 2, we have t equals negative 1 over 2 plus the square root of 4u plus 1 divided by 2. and which the whole of this thing is the same thing as t equals minus 1 plus square root of 4u plus 1 all divided by 2. So this is what we have for only t. But if we try to recall from where we have f of t bracket t plus 1 equals t bracket t minus 1, which we have already made t bracket t plus 1 equals to u, and we also have our t here. So what I was saying is, from where we have t bracket t plus 1 equals t bracket t minus 1. So we have the whole of this equals u, and we have gotten the value of t. We need t minus 1. So which means at this point I have to subtract 1 from both sides. So by subtracting 1 from both sides, we are going to have t minus 1 equals minus 1 plus square root of 4u plus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. And the whole of this gives us minus 3 plus square root of 4u plus 1 all divided by 2. So this is what we have here. And by bringing all this together, so we then have f of u equals, so we substitute now in t bracket t minus 1, as we have our t to be equals square root of 4u plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2. So this is multiplying t minus 1, that is square root of 4u plus 1 minus 3, then divided by 2. So this is what we are going to expand. Let's expand this. So these are the same. So this gives us 4u plus 1. And here, if you multiply 4u plus 1 with minus 3 and minus 1 with this, so the whole of the process gives us 4 square root of 4u plus 1. And also minus 1 multiplied by minus 3, that gives us plus 3. Everything divided by 2 times 2, that is 4. So everything equals f of u. So here we have f of u equals, we have 4u plus 1 plus 3. That gives us 4u plus 4. Then minus 4 square root of 4u plus 1 all divided by 4. So next, we are going to have f of u equals, this is 4, this is 4, this is 4. 4 is common to them. So if I factor out 4 and I use it to divide this, we have only u plus 1 minus square root of 4u plus 1. This is what we have at the final, but we have to change this u to x. So by changing u to x, we have f of x equals x plus 1 minus square root of 4x plus 1. Yeah, let's try and substitute for x equals t. We have f of 12 equals 12 plus 1 minus square root of 4 times 12 plus 1. That gives us 49. And here we have 12 plus 1, that is 13, minus square root of 49, it gives us 7. And 13 minus 7, that is 6. Therefore, f of 12 equals 6. This is how I solve this problem at my own end. How do you solve your own? Let's hear the answer in the comment box. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.